Hello everybody, good afternoon. I am Vaishali Wagmare. Today I am going to start my series of tenses where you will get all the videos related to tenses part by part. So here I begin. Today I am going to teach you simple present tense using primary verbs. Now where do we use these kind of tenses? Okay, these tenses are used basically to talk about the state of something. We don't use any action verbs in this. This is the formula for simple present tense using primary verbs. Subject plus am or is or are and plus object. Now here I want to make generalized statements stating something. For example, I am a teacher, you are a student, she is my colleague, she is my best friend, Ram is a clever student. So here I am not denoting any action. I am only talking about the state of something. So here we go. Now let us understand the rule of making positive and negative sentences. So here I begin. I would say, she is my teacher. Positive statement. Negative statement, she isn't my teacher. Is and not contracted together makes isn't. Question 1. So whenever you have a primary verb after your subject, you just need to interchange to create question 1. Is she my teacher? Negative. Isn't she my teacher? Now question 2 will depend upon who is asking to whom. So how is she my teacher? And negative question 2 will always be with why. Why isn't she my teacher? This is all about simple present tense using primary verbs. Thank you so much.